Hi friends, welcome to an interesting episode of our paper crafts video. In this video we're going to demonstrate some easy paper crafts. We start with a star. Do you like stars? Where do you find stars? Yes, they are in the sky. Now let us make another item, a star, and here we are repeating the folding process for 4 sides of the paper. You can paste them on the wall and decorate it. And you can make stars with different colors, and for that you have to use papers with different colors. And now we are going to make a butterfly. A butterfly is very beautiful, it can be colorful, and thus we can make different butterflies and you can paste them on the wall and decorate it. Now let us make another item, and here we are repeating the folding process for 4 sides of the paper, and we create such pieces and join them together. Thus we will have a flower-like thing, and it is also like a star. And now we're going to make a flower, and now we are making a flower bud, and we have taken red colored paper for the main petal portion. Then we also have to take a stick and green colored stem and leaves. So let us attach that green colored portion. Now we're going to make our next item, and we are folding it from the corners. Then we are folding it in the opposite side. Thus we have an L shape. Then we paste it together and it is stretchy now. And finally it becomes a Rubik's Cube-like toy. You can twist it, you can rotate it. This is a funny game. Now let us make another item, a box, and we are folding it, and you can keep something inside this box. We have already made some butterflies, but here we are going to make some butterflies in a different style. This is also a butterfly, and with a different constructing method. Now we take a paper, a rectangular sheet of paper, and we fold it like this. Then fold again into half and mark some lines, open it. Thus we have a container, a long boat-shaped box. Now we're going to make a flower, and now the paper is in a diamond shape, and we again fold it and open it and just twist it. We have a flower, and it can also be used as a spinning top. A flower shaped spinning top is so good. Here we are taking a red paper, then we cut it and make it like star. And we can make stars with different sizes and arrange it like the stars in the flag of China. Here we have made some boxes, and this is also very simple. Just follow what we are showing in the video. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching.